Hello, my YouTube friend. Today we have a mega epic Batman Funko Pop haul. It's 2.5 boxes full of Funko Pops, and I think they're mostly Batman related. So this is, if you love Batman, this is the video for you. All right, so I bought this collection from Gilson a week or two ago. I believe it's about a $800 collection, maybe a little bit more. I kind of forget how much I paid for this collection. Anyway, doesn't really matter because we're going to have fun digging through it. So let's just start digging through these boxes. I do like getting Batman collections because Batman sells really well for me, and I like Batman. I probably have most of these Pops already, but there's probably a couple in here that I need. Okay, let's start going through these. Okay, we have the Batman Arkham Knight Scarecrow. That one I definitely have. We have the Two-Face and Popster. I believe I have this one. I think I actually have all of them Popsters now. I'm going to double check though. There might be one or two I need. Okay, we have Batman the Grim Knight. It's one of these newer ones in the black box. I love these. I just love the way this box looks with the little gold highlights. Very cool pop. I think I actually just got this one in a previous video, so that one will be for sale. Good double check though, just in case. Okay, we have the Armored Batman from the Batman The Dark Knight Returns. It's a previews exclusive. Very awesome pop. I do have that one. I do like getting kind of those rarer Batmans because they sell well. Okay, this is cool. We have the Teal Chrome Batman from the 2019 San Diego Comic-Con. Very cool pop. That one I do have. Okay, next we have the original Joker. I think this is an earlier version. Well, it says 2015. I think there's a newer version of him in the same style, but like the box is black on top, or it's a little bit different. So this one might have a little bit more value. I'm going to have to look into that one. Next we have the Pink Rainbow Batman. It's Entertainment Earth exclusive. I think this one's jumped in value, so that has a bit of value. That's cool. Do have it. Okay, we have Poison Ivy from Batman Arkham Asylum. I believe I have that one as well. Very cool pop. Do you like that? Oh, okay. This one I think I actually need. He is neat looking. So we have the Merciless Batman. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. He's got a really cool blue metallic look to him. And he's in the cool black box with the gold highlights. Love that pop. Very awesome pop. Okay, we have a non-Batman DC figure. We have Superman. Original box 2015. I don't think this box is rare or anything, but I'm going to look at actually, this one might have value now. I kind of think it does. So that one I'm going to look into. Pretty sure I have it already, so he'll be for sale. Okay, next we have the Steampunk Batman. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. I think I just got a couple of these in previous videos, so I'll probably have a few of these in the store. I'm going to have a lot of Batmans in my shop. Okay, we have Owlman. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. Very cool. Do you have that one already? Oh, this one's neat. We have the Red Rain Batman. I don't think I have that one, so that one's going to go into my collection. This, again, is one of those cool ones with gold highlights. Absolutely love this line of Batmans. I'm glad they made a really cool box for these. I like when they do that for Pops. Okay, next we have the Arkham Asylum Batman, the Hot Topic exclusive. That one I definitely have. Okay, we have the Killer Croc from the Batman Arkham Asylum. That one I have as well. Very cool pop. Okay, next we have the Harley Quinn and Popster. I think one of my patrons wants that one, so this one's going to go into their mystery box. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have the Negative Batman as a Target exclusive. That one I do have. Okay, next we have the Purple Rainbow Batman. Very cool. Do you have that one already? I think the last time I got those, they sold relatively cheap, but I think the value's up on them. Oh, this is cool. We have the Robot Batman Chase. Very awesome pop. Love that one. Someone's going to want that. Ooh, okay, we have the Orange Chrome Batman. I think I do have this one, but he is neat. Love the Chrome Batmans. I think the only one I need now is the green one, maybe. I luckily got the blue one from the Grail collection I bought a few videos ago, so I'm actually happy to have that. Okay, we have the Unmasked Batman. It's a Target exclusive. That one I have already, so he'll be for sale. Very cool Batman. Okay, next we have, the Rainbow Batman. Do really love this Batman. It's a 2016 New York Comic Con exclusive. I do have it though, so that one will be for sale. We have the Thomas Wayne Batman from Flashpoint. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. That one I have as well. Definitely like a little bit more valuable Batman. I like having these kind of rare ones because I know people want them. And they sell really well. Okay, we have the Red Chrome Batman. Absolutely love this one. I think he's so neat. It's the 12 Days of Christmas one. Very cool. That one should sell pretty quickly. Okay, we have the Penguin and Popster. Very cool pop. I think someone actually just asked me if I had this one. I'm gonna have to look into that. Okay, we have the White Lantern Batman. It's a 2016 New York Comic Con exclusive. Very neat pop. I do have that one already. I like this pose. It's like the Super Friends pose, I guess you'd call that. I don't know what you call it. I love it. I love all the pops that they made with that pose. Okay, we have the Green Batman from the Rainbow series. It's an Entertainment Earth exclusive. Do you have that one already? I think the green's a little bit rarer. The pink one seems to be the more valuable one. And then I think like the green and purple are a little bit more rare. Okay, we have the Arkham Knight Batman. Do you have that one? And this is cool. This looks like the, I think this is George Clooney Batman. Batman Forever. Or is that the Val Kilmer? I can't remember. I think it's the George Clooney one. You guys can remind me which one it is. Very cool though. Again, in the black box with the gold. I love it. Awesome. Okay, and then finally in this box we have the really cool red metallic Batman. It's a Target exclusive. Absolutely love that one. I just got this one maybe a month ago. So I have him already. So he'll be for sale. But he's amazing. I love this pop. He's so cool. Okay, box 1 was done. That was a lot of Batman. Okay, box 2 is full of Batman. More Batman. So much Batman. Okay, what do we have here? We have the Suicide Squad Batman. It's a 2017 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. Very cool. Do you have that one? Okay, we have... oh, this is the 2019 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Batman. The one where he's holding the bag. Love that Batman. Very cool. Again, in the awesome black box. Kind of like that they did all the Batmans recently in those boxes. Okay, we have the Nightmare Batman from Batman vs. Superman. Do have that one already. That one's pretty common. Oh, we have the cool Armored Batman from the Legion of Collectors box. Now, this one, the box is a bit damaged, so I'll have to discount him. But I'm sure someone will pick him up right away, because he is a cool pop. Okay, we have the original Batman, Batman #1. This one, I have a couple different variants of him, so I'll double check to see if he's another variant. I do like finding those variants. Okay, we have the cool The Dark Knight Returns Batman. It's a preview exclusive. Love that one. I love any of the pops based on the comic books. I always think those are cool. We have the Rainbow Batman, the blue one from Entertainment Earth. Very cool. I have that one as well. There might only be like 3 or 4 in this collection that I need. Okay, we have another Rainbow Batman, the Orange Batman. Very cool. But that is okay because Batman sell well. So I like buying collections like this that will be very easy to sell. Okay, we have the Arkham Knight Batman. That is very cool. Okay, with the Riddler and Popstar. I think I have all of them. I'm gonna double check because there might be one I'm missing. He is cool looking though. Very cool pop. One non-Batman thing in here that's really cool, and we have the common Godzilla. Although I think this one has some value now. Very cool pop. I'm sure someone is gonna want to buy that. I love the Godzilla pops. I think they're so cool. Okay, we have the Dark Knight Trilogy Batman. Very cool. I think I just got this one a couple of videos ago, but this one will definitely sell very easily because people love that one. Every time I get them, it's just like that. Okay, we have the Interplanetary Batman 2017 San Diego Comic-Con. Absolutely love this Batman. It's one of my favorite ones. Very cool. Oh, this is neat. We have the Batman Beyond Batman. This one has a bit of value. I just recently got the metallic one. I forget if I have the common. That one I'm going to have to double check. Okay, this is cool. We have the Professor Radiant Batman. It's a Target exclusive. I actually don't remember if I got this one. This might be one I actually need. That would be cool. So few Batmans I need left. Okay, we have the DC Universe Previews exclusive Batman. Pretty sure I have that one. Okay, we have the Gamer Batman. It's a GameStop exclusive. Pretty sure I have that one. Cool pop, though. I do like those gamer pops. Okay, we have the Scarecrow and Popstar. Again, I think I have them, but I'm going to have to double check because there might be one more I need. Okay, let's see what we got. We got the Retro Batman. It's an Entertainment Earth exclusive. Okay, we have the Harley Quinn from Arkham Asylum. That one I have already. Okay, we have the Hot Topic exclusive Arkham Asylum Batman. That one's very cool. Okay, we have the 2017 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Bruce Wayne. Really like that Batman. I think he's pretty cool. Okay, what we got in here? We have the 2016 Suicide Squad Batman. That one's actually pretty cool. Do like that one. Lots of Batman. Batman and Batman related. Okay, we had the Armored Batman Unmasked. It's a preview exclusive. Very cool Batman. I do like those Dark Knight comic book related ones. They're so cool. Okay, we have the Arkham Asylum Batman. Was there like 3 or 4 different ones from that series? And one more. We have the Arkham Knight's Harley Quinn. She is very cool. Okay, so that box is done. Again, a ton of Batman. So, and I think the last box is like half a box. So this is going to be a pretty quick collection tour. But if you love Batman, you're going to love this video. Because it's all Batman. I'm a Batman Pop. Okay, we have a Super Friends Batman. There he is. That's the pose. I love all these Super Friends Batmans. He is so cool. I'm pretty sure I have the common one, but I'm going to double check that one. And we have the Joker from Arkham Asylum. Do have that one as well. We have the Batman, the animated series Batman. This one has a bit of value. Very cool pop. Do have that one already. And then we have the Batman, the Dark Knight Returns previews exclusive Batman. I actually don't remember if I have this one. I know I have the blue one. I know I have the one in the armored suit, in the unmasked armor. I don't remember if I have the black and gray one. I'm going to have to double check. Okay, and then we have the Earth 1 Batman. He is very cool. Happy to have that. I think I have him already. Oh, well. And then we have the Batman vs. Superman Batman. Okay, very cool. Lots of Batmans. If you like Batman, my shop's going to be full. And by the time you see this video, we might actually be listing some on Mercari as well. I want to thank Gilson for selling me the collection. I had a lot of fun going through it. I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.